Might want to get further away. See, that one wasn't bad at all.
That's nice.
Yeah.
Look at that cute little guy.
Yeah, there's a little baby. It's cute. Pretty. That wasn't bad either. That's those little babies. I chose well, didn't I?
Mm-hmm. You just leave it in there, right?
Yeah, it'll burn it. Run! That one was cool.
One of them bad boys.
Do this guy first. You okay?
Yeah, I put my finger.
Oh, for the love of God.
That's why I don't like this shit.
That's why I only chose a couple. We have them for next year. So that way it's...
It's fine. I just don't have to like it.
Run! Wasn't that bad. Right?
Listen.
Yep. Oh, almost 5 minutes. Shit. Penis. Shit. Hurry up.
That's cool.
Wait, it's not done.
That's cool.
Yeah, that one's still lit. Look at it. It's like,
Huh?
what the heck? It's still lit. Where?
Yeah.
One more of these. Just throw it.